Cinos has operated a video conferencing service for multidisciplinary teams for a while now. Based on standards-based Cisco video, we've delivered video communications into these meeting spaces for a number of years, allowing our customers to collaborate and share content to the highest quality in some of the most customized and demanding environments. Powered by Cinos Cloud, the Cinos Managed MDT for Health and Care service is delivered as a private cloud directly into the health and social care network. By doing this, we enable our customers to consume cloud in the way that suits them best, without having to turn straight to the public internet and utilize shared services that might not meet the regulatory or security compliance that they need. Our service helps our customers tick those boxes. Our service is hosted from UK sovereign data centers, which adhere to all 14 NCSC security guidelines, ensuring compliance with all of our customers' regulatory concerns. What we found over the years is a need for the service to adapt to incorporate the increased usage of Microsoft Teams. Our service embeds with the natural workflows that Microsoft users will have. Similarly, what we're able to do is enable our customers to continue to deploy the very best equipment required to ensure that MDT meetings run smoothly, but bring that together with that desktop transformative message that is allowing your clinicians and users to operate remotely in a more dispersed environment using Microsoft Teams. Going simply into your Microsoft Outlook calendar, you can schedule an MDT meeting and our service will do the rest, allowing you to pass that on to the rooms and users you need to enable Microsoft Teams users and standards-based video endpoints to communicate seamlessly. Our service allows our customers to utilize the standards-based video that they have in place already. This can help our customers mitigate the cost often associated with MDT room refits. This can average around £50,000 per room. By allowing our customers to reutilize that investment, we're helping them sweat any existing assets they might have in those video meeting spaces. Our service supports distributed working, especially in our new disconnected world, where users can work from home or work remotely across the NHS campus. Similarly, we can help support safe return to work environments, creating the MDT spaces with touchless technologies and socially distant spaces that enable your users to work from any location safely.